try something slightly different. So, if you will indulge me, I'd like to say one of my poems. This could be a Deb's dialogue vlog. The other day I went out for a walk and it was wild and it was windy and the clouds moved by so quickly, and I had an amazing time with my camera. I played around with getting the dynamics of the weather and went back to my roots, shooting black and white. Today I've sat and I've thought about where I'm at in life at the moment and the uncertainty that hangs around just literally everything. I'm sat waiting for things to finish. I'm sat waiting to know what will happen nationally and how that will affect everything and the decisions that are taken in the next couple of days. So with those things blowing across my life at the moment, I thought about my walk on Sunday in the wild and windy weather. So this is my response to everything that is going on for me at the moment. Perhaps for you too, there's a similarity. Wild windy weather, blow me into the future over the next few days, please. Like when reading books, I would skip a few pages to know what had happened. Can you do that for me? The clouds slide by silently, intent and purposeful, over the horizon somewhere. Can I be like Dorothy? Somewhere, anywhere, but not here.
She dreams in blue, wait for it, it's all she ever knew.